Checking in with a quick tip on how you use the internet during exam season and then onwards from that if you think it's useful. So what I try and do is I think about what each piece of content is trying to do and the value it gives me. And then what I do is I match that up to what I'm trying to achieve. So for example, if you're doing exams, you want to make sure that most of the content that you consume on the internet is to do with your exams. But a lot of people just don't think about it that way. We go on, we start clicking, we click on another thing and another thing and another thing. It's entertainment, it's cat videos, it might be informative, it might be socializing, all these different things. What I'm saying here is divide that up a bit more so that you know, okay, I'm spending too much time in that entertainment area when really I should be doing more time or spending more time in the academic, studying, educational YouTube video area. So think about that. Just think about what each piece of content is, what it does for you, and how it ladders up to the goal that you're trying to achieve in that period of time. Trust me, you're going to have different results because you're going to be thinking a lot more carefully about what you do and don't click, tap, swipe, whatever it is on. Have a go, let me know how you go.